Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color 5 incredibly adorable cartoon characters from the city of Zootopia. Are you ready? Let's start drawing and coloring right away. First up is Finnick. Finnick is a small fennec fox but possesses a deep, warm voice and a very tough personality. Despite often pretending to be a baby in Nick's schemes, Finnick is actually a veteran partner, cool, stoic, and very tough. When drawing, we will focus on his oversized ears compared to his body and his proud, arms-crossed pose. Don't forget to depict his energetic outfit with the shirt and cargo shorts. Now, let's start coloring. Yellow. Please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you all so much. Beige. Light brown. Pink. Brown. Dark brown. Dark gray. Red. Khaki. Finally, add some highlights to make him stand out. Use dark gray for shadows and white for highlights. Next is Nick Wilde. Nick Wilde is a sly fox with a cynical view of the world, yet he possesses a truly warm heart. Nick is the symbol of intelligence and a charming ability to handle any situation in the city of Zootopia. We will draw Nick in a relaxed pose with his iconic outfit consisting of a green shirt and a purple striped tie. Pay close attention to his confident half smirk and his sharp, flexible ears. Let's get to the coloring part. Orange. Please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you all so much. Light orange. Red brown. Green. Purple. Green. Purple. Pink. Dark beige. Dark gray. Don't forget to add shadows and highlights to make Nick Wilde look truly vivid. And now, it's the brave police rabbit, Judy Hopps. Judy Hopps is someone who always believes that anyone can be anything. With limitless enthusiasm and a resilient spirit, Judy broke all stereotypes about her small size to protect justice. To portray Judy, we will draw her in her majestic police uniform with a fully equipped utility belt. Focus on her long, keen ears and the determined look of Zootopia's first rabbit police officer. Now let's color Judy. Dark beige. Please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you all so much. Light beige. Pink. Purple. Dark blue. Light blue. Black gray. light gray, light orange. Finally, add some highlights to make her truly stand out. Next is Officer Benjamin Clawhauser. Benjamin Clawhauser is the friendliest cheetah at the ZPD headquarters. Unlike the fierce appearance typical of cheetahs, Clawhauser is incredibly kind, cheerful, and a huge fan of music and donuts. When drawing, we will focus on his round, jolly figure in his dark blue police uniform. Don't forget his signature spots on his fur, and the radiant smile of this adorable cheetah. The sketch is done. Let's color it. Orange, light yellow, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you all so much. Red brown, red, sky blue, dark blue, black gray, brown, yellow, and add some highlights. Use dark gray for the darker areas. Finally, it's the glamorous pop star, Gazelle. Gazelle is a top pop star and the voice of peace for the entire city. Not only does she have an enchanting voice, but she is also a symbol of elegance and compassion. When drawing, we will recreate Gazelle's slender figure in her shimmering purple-pink dress and her long, elegant, curved horns. Be sure to capture the flowing hair and the long, graceful legs of this talented singer. Now, let's start coloring. Dark beige. Please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you all so much. Cream. Light pink. Red. Light brown. Beige. Glittery, purple pink. Purple pink. Taupe. And add dark gray for the shadow areas. So, today, we have finished drawing and coloring 5 vibrant Zootopia characters. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you all so much.